Close the pop-up window. In Contents, click to select the DEM30M layer and open the Raster Layer Appearance ribbon. In the Rendering group, click the Symbology drop-down and examine the choices, noting that Stretch is the first option. It is the appropriate option for a continuous raster and was automatically selected when the raster was added. Click the Symbology drop-down again and select Stretch to open the Symbology pane. This pane looks different for rasters. Choose several different color schemes and examine each one. Then set it to the elevation number 1 ramp. Hold the cursor over a ramp to see its name.